All right, 3-1. 3-1 is very simple. I'm not going to make you do the homework. If you want to do the homework, you know what it is. It's going to be 19 through 31. Optional, because we already know this stuff. Okay? But what I am going to do is give you a hard one, like we did on the midterm. Okay? And it is, I'm going to collect my like terms. I'm going to move it so that it is in descending order. So I have plus 3x squared. And then these two add up to be plus 5x, right? And so, tell me, what's the degree of the polynomial? It's a fifth degree, right? And so the fifth degree means quintic, right? And then mono, bi, or tri?
Try.
That's it. That's 3-1. So, then, along with that in 3-1 is write it in standard form. So they're going to give you like problem number 27. Okay? So problem number 27 is this. X squared minus 3x plus 4. X squared minus 3x plus 4. Okay? And then they're going to say plus x cubed plus 3x minus 4. X cubed plus 3x minus 4. Okay? And then all you got to do is say, is there an x cubed on the other side? So it's x cubed. Okay? Is there an x squared on that side?
No.
Plus x squared. Is there an x on both sides? Yeah. So minus 3 plus 3 gives you 0. Good. Is that recording? Do you see a red dot? Go ahead. Play.
Wait, yeah, it's recording.
Good. Alright. So that means 0x, or we just don't write it, right? And then the last thing is there a number on both sides? Yes. Can't do 3. Go 4. Okay, so what's 4 minus 4? 0. Okay, what kind of polynomial is this? Cubic. Cubic what? Mono, bi, or tri, or poly? Bi. Okay? That's it. It's done. Alright, there is a harder one. Okay? So let's do the harder one, and then we're done with 3.1. Okay? The harder one is this. 29. 5y cubed. 5y cubed. This is 29. 5y cubed minus 2y squared. And if anyone has their book and they can read it to me, it'd be faster. Minus 1 minus y squared minus 2y minus 3. Okay? This one's the hard one. This one kids get wrong. 2 reasons. 1, they'll try to multiply instead of just add. They'll try to multiply instead of just subtract. Okay? Because what's in chapter 3.2, what we're going to do today also, is multiplying polynomials. So that it's going to be really easy to confuse the two. So on the test, just make sure if it's plus, you add. If it's minus, you subtract. If it's times, then multiply. That's it. Okay? Alright. The other thing that people miss is this. Everybody on the block's got to get the paper. Okay? When we subtract all of this, that means everything gets changed. That means this becomes a minus, this becomes a plus, this becomes a plus. Does that make sense? Okay? And if you want, you can keep it really simple. You can put them underneath their values here. Okay? So, in other words, I can go minus, I can go plus 2y, and I can go plus 3, And then on the side here, I can go minus y squared. Does that make sense? And then I just add these up. Okay? And then they're already in order here. So I go, well, this one doesn't have anything that it's good with, right? So it's just 5y cubed. This one can't add to anything, right? So that's just minus y squared. Okay? And then these two add up, but they cancel each other, correct? Negative 2 and 2 is nothing. And then what's 3 minus 1? 2. Okay? And what kind of polynomial is this? The trinomial, but what kind?
Cubic.
Cubic. Cubic trinomial. Okay? So you're going to have two answers. It's going to be this and this. Does that make sense? Okay? How we doing? Thumbs up if we're good. Not really sure. Going too fast.
A little too fast.
A little too fast. Okay. I'll slow it down. That's it. That's 3.1. Okay?